here in Hollywood, California at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. Oh my gosh, we are so excited to see the movie magic here at Warner Brothers. So just as a heads up, we are not allowed to film on this tour, but we'll take lots of pictures and show you all the fun stuff here on the channel.
Yeah.
Yee.
Before we begin, I want to give a huge shout out to our top Patreon supporters, Tom, SoCal Fun Seekers, and CDR Farside.
Woo! Wizard Cup.
That's what those getting in. Last bathroom is on the other side of the elevator, right over there. And you won't be returning to the bathroom after the tour, so it takes some time to check it out now while you're busy.
Hey guys, we're here at the Warner Brothers. We're going to take the Turner Classic Movies Classic Film Tour, where we're going to learn all about the classic films of the classic era and that were shot here at Warner Brothers.
Yes. More history of Warner Brothers.
Yes, we're super excited. Woo! Badges! Can't wait! Yes.
You'll have until then to eat in here. If you want to go back out there, you can. But just make sure you're back in this room by 11:50.
Looking around the history. Here, munching on our snacks, waiting for the Turner Classic Movies Studio Tour at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour.
Or you can sit anywhere you'd like.
Wonderful. You know, I wanted to do that too.
Surprises. Surprises. All right. This is it. Large.
Tim's getting a little bit of coffee here at Central Perk, which is a coffee shop from the Friends TV show, question mark? I don't know. I never really watched Friends, you guys. So, yee, little coffee time before we continue on our tour. This is the a stop midway through after like, oh, the tour's over?
Or no, they take us somewhere else.
Yeah, they take us somewhere else to go.
We have our own time here.
Yes, where we can explore that exhibit, which is on stage 48, script to screen. here are the different kinds of coffees you could get here at Central Perk, all based off the characters of the Friends TV show. Looks like they got Friends themed treats and merchandise for the TV show. I guess this couch is significant in some way or form. There's other things here, I think, that are from the show. I don't know. I never watched this show. Looks like they got some scripts and stuff from the show on display. So if you love Friends, they got all this set up just for Friends fans. It's very immersive to the TV show. Look at that. Costumes. Tim got some coffee from the Central Perk. What kind of coffee did you get?
It's a vanilla ice blended.
Oh, look at that backlot action.
This studio was busier than
Universal. Oh my goodness, don't be savage.
That's why we do this outlining process. I make a lot of notes, I talk to a lot of people, and I make collapse, and then we come back and do it again, and there are absolutely no complaints because it's a fabulous job to be able to do.
Yes, Smaug. Played by Benedict Cumberbatch. I love The Hobbit. And I also like Benedict Cumberbatch a lot.
8 weeks that she's planning out that whole season, so everybody bring in 20 or 30 separate ideas.
Look at all the costuming here. Is that Crazy Rich Asians? Hold on, guys. Is this the Crazy Rich? Oh my gosh, I love this movie. The Crazy Rich Asians. This is great. I love it.
Costumes, and they decide, oh, let's cut this guy's head off, and you're like, I only have like 3 of his shirts.
Oh, I love that movie too.
She's talking about how she's the art department costume.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's My Fair Lady.
Yeah, she's talking about how they can't
design and build.
Wow. And then
You know, design-wise, it was like, what?
you could design a Batmobile. It's the Space Jam. Look at all those Looney Tunes. Oh my goodness, the Hanna-Barbera. Yes. Classics are made here, Tim. So here at this part, we get to look at the classic costuming of those old school movies made here on the Warner Brothers backlot. Here are the costumes from My Fair Lady. Oh my goodness, I love how just absolutely fabulous this is. And of course there's those gangsta films. Oh my goodness. Yes, the film noir. Ooh, so let's see who we have here. Miss Elizabeth Taylor from the film Giant. Miss Joan Crawford, who you may know from Whatever Happened to Baby Jane. And then Betty Davis, who was also in Whatever Happened to Baby Jane. But these costumes are from different movies. Miss Lauren Bacall. I wonder if this is the actual jewelry they wore too. And then Miss Olivia de Havilland. And more costumes from My Fair Lady. Love it. What's really impressive about Warner Brothers is how much history they've preserved through the costuming, the sets, and the props.
What was cool?
Oh my goodness, look at that. It's the Big Bang Theory. Oh man, it's getting batty up in here. Look at these miniatures. Oh, look at, they show you how they create visual effects. It's so cool. It's incredible. Look at, so it starts off like that, and then they add the special effects, and then look at all that. Look at, it looks like this, and then they add all of this special effects and color correct and all of that stuff. So it looks totally different than when they originally film it, and then when they add in all that color correct and special effects. It's amazing. Oh my goodness, look at all this old school equipment for filmmaking. They got the Vitaphone sound equipment, the photographic sound recorder, the Moviola editing machine, and then the magnetic film recorder. So at the very end is the magnetic film recorder. Right here is the editing machine by Moviola. And then this right here is the photographic sound recorder. Welcome to post-production.
Happy Christmas, Harry.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents?
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh gosh, it's processing.
Oh, Jesus.
With music and everything.
Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing?
Oh, Mum made it. Looks like you got one too.
I've got presents? Yes! Oh, God, that's so...
Oh man, Harry Potter and superheroes, here we come. Y'all know we like the Iceman cometh.
All right, everyone.
Chill. Wonder Woman, and you get to pose like Wonder Woman. It's for a podcast. Do you want to touch the trident?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. He's touching the trident. Bugs. I mean, whoa. What is this? Trench creature. Oh, whoa. The Dark Knight.
Oh, look, this is cool. First in the pictures. Poison Ivy, that's cool, Mary. Like, I wish we'd get more movies.
Yeah, well. It's so cool. So much batness is happening here. The Justice League. Khaleesi, Mother of Dragons. It's Ram. Stop calling her.
Whatever, Fast and Furious.
Yeah.
Gramsley. Wrong park.
Wrong park. Oh
Wrong
my
studio.
gosh. It's.
Wrong studio.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's the Daenerys.
I know. Mother of Dragons.
Mother of Dragons. There's a costume. Does she really wear this?
Love it.
It was worn by her. It was worn bad stuff.
Batman. Batman. Okay, guys, it's time for the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Whoa, it's the car. And then Mischief Manage. Marauders map. Oh boy, what is Tim doing? Tim, what are you doing? He's causing trouble. Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. Oh man, Tim. Oh. Whoa. Look at this. Tim's making a potion right now, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Touch the one below. Stir. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh! Look, you can learn one choreography.
Shrew.
Better be.
Slithering.
Oh! Okay, you gonna pull it? Oh, jeez Louises.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, it's so ugly.
You're so ugly.
Tim's looking into the cupboard. Oh, poor Harry. The struggle's real. So what's really cool, in addition to the TCM tour, we also get to check out the other exhibits here at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour, like the Harry Potter, the DC, and a bunch of other cool stuff.
Yes. Even Game of Thrones.
Woo! It's so much fun. We've been having a hoot with it. And also there's interactive experiences you get to try. Like you get to be sorted in your house. You get to make potions. You get to learn how to wand duel.
Wand choreography.
Yeah. It's really cool and immersive here. Yes, I saw him.
It's one of those things where
So this tour was absolutely fantastic. We loved it.
Yes.
We learned all about what went into the making of the classic movies. And just as a heads up, so this tour is starting now and will be a permanent addition here at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour.
Cool.
So you could come by and check it out. And remember, this tour is different than their regular tour. So if you want the regular tour with Gilmore Girls and other fun stuff, you're gonna have to get on the regular tour, whereas this one is covering classic movie history.
yes, classic stuff.
Yeah. So be sure to check it out. Thank you so much, Warner Brothers, for inviting us. This was an absolute blast. Tim, do you have any thoughts, any words?
Yes, I like it a lot. It's nice learning. It was fun learning about old classic movies. I only watched a handful or maybe a little bit more than that, but
Yeah.
it's nice learning a lot about like Betty Davis and stuff like that.
Old Hollywood.
Jack Warner, of course, and stuff like that.
Oh, the
So,
stories about Betty and Jack crack me
the
up.
stories are great. So you'll learn a lot of stuff. If you're a Hollywood fan, movie fan.
If you love movies, you
Yeah.
definitely got to check it out. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.
That's going to do it for this trip to Warner Brothers Studio Tour.
Yes.
The TCM version.
Oh, the TCM.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, Warner Brothers, for an awesome time.
Woo!
We want to give a huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom, Cookie Trails, Tucker Time, SoCal Fun Seekers, CDR Far Side, Crow Slots, Lewis, David the Psychic, and Jax.
Woo!
See y'all next one.
Bye-bye.